Hi! In front of me is WIKO View Go, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Now tap on System, select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and your currently used keyboard, in my case Gboard. Then go into Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Now you can select a photo by clicking on it, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap Done. Lastly, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them, and when you're done, tap Apply. Now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!